In this video, I'll show you how to restore missing messages on the Messenger app. First, open the Messenger app and tap the menu or profile icon. Then open Settings and go to Privacy and Safety. Next, tap End-to-End Encrypted Chats, then select Message Storage. If you see the option to reset PIN, tap it and create a new PIN for your encrypted message storage. Once you've done that, check to see if your missing conversations have been restored. If your messages are still missing, close Messenger and open the Facebook app. Find the profile of the person whose conversation is missing, then tap the message button. In some cases, opening the chat this way can restore older conversations in Messenger. If the issue continues, uninstall the Messenger app from your device, then reinstall it from the Google Play Store. After reinstalling, sign back into your account and check whether your conversations have returned. And that's how to restore missing messages on the Messenger app. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.